Hello everyone. Today we are going to read, recognise and use tricky words. Now we've been using our phonics to segment and blend words, but there are some words that are tricky, that can't be segmented and blended all the time. Sometimes we just have to know them. First of all, I have the word I. Now sometimes you might think that it sounds like I, but it's not. It's a word and it stands all on its own and is the word I. Another one like this is the word I. Now you may think that looks like the A that we use in phonics, but when it's on its own in a sentence, like I like a banana, you can see that I isn't an I and A isn't an A. I like a banana. Some other words we have to look at are look. Look. Like. Mum. Is. The. Dad. And my. We're going to play a quick recognising game. Have a look at these words. Can you find the word mum? Mum. You can listen to that first sound, mum. Brilliant, well done. Mum. Can you find the word I? I. Yeah, you're right, we just spoke about that, didn't we? I. What about look? Look. Brilliant. The. The. Is it this one? No, you're right, it's this one. What about dad? Dad. Fantastic. Like. Like. Is. Brilliant. Two more left. Do you know what this one is? Can you remember? Fantastic, it's I. And my. Now, we're going to write a sentence with some of these words. I'm going to write one that says, I like my hat. What would I start with if I was writing a sentence with I like my hat? Brilliant, I. So I'm going to write I. Now with a sentence, I must make sure that after I've wrote one word, I leave a space. I like, there's my space. Sometimes we call it a finger space. I like my. Can you find that word my? My. Another finger space because it's a new word. I like my hat. We don't actually have the word hat, so we need to use our phonics for this word. Hat. Segment it. Hat. At. Finger space. What's that last sound? Hat. At. Hat. I like my hat. Right, is that a finished sentence? Can you remember our sentence rules? A sentence must start with a capital letter. It must have finger spaces in between the words. And at the end, it must have a full stop. Well done. Fantastic. You wrote your first sentence using our keywords or our tricky words. Well done. Keep practicing.